Sa pagising ko sa umaga at pagdilat ng aking mga malalaking mata, wala akong makitang tummy dahil nandun sa labas na nigarilyo na ang papel ng asawang Pinay. Kawawa naman si Inday. Mabuti na lang itong aking pusa maalalahanin at ako ang iniisip andito sa puwitan ni Inday Mirian. Parang horror, ayoko na. Good morning, Tami Moy. What are you doing? Why there's so many red thing here? Wow. God bless you. What's wrong outside?
Thousands and thousands of people flying.
Oh my God. What happened?
Good question. 4
And did you kill them? Hala, it's in the fire. It's in the thing.
There we go.
Hala.
Look, I sprayed down on it.
Did you see it's still moving? In the light area?
Yep.
Look, oh.
Yeah, there were millions of them.
The other in the light.
Yes, I sprayed them on the light. Some of them are dead and some of them are still
They're
alive.
still
Look at the ground. They were all over the chairs.
Natake talaga kami ng mga iba't ibang insekto. Pati itong airwig, inatake itong aking mga gulay. Nagugulat ako at nagagalit na talaga kasi kinakain nila yung dahon ng aking mga gulay. Kawawa naman itong gulay ko eh. Sabi pa ni Tami, termite daw ito. Iwan ko na lang kasi nakakatakot yung termite, guys. Kainin nila yun yung wood. Iwan ko na lang si Batman talaga. Pagising ko, wala si Tami sa tabi ko. Andun ito agad yung ginagawa ko, inaatupag ko. Instead, inom ako ng tubig. Upo muna tayo at mag-relax, inom ng tubig. Why the sun is always not out though? Always like something is blocking. What do you want for breakfast? You want omelette? You want pancake? You want oatmeal? Oatmeal, love. You buy oatmeal a lot, and same thing with cereal. You don't even eat.
Buy for emergency food.
Emergency expired for... Seriously? Hi guys! Luto tayo ng pancake. Mag-pancake tayo mga loves. Kasi tinanong ko si Mister, and then yun, gusto niya ng pancake, so magluto tayo no from ito siya, ito yung gamitin natin, and then lagyan lang natin ng tubig lang, simple lang ito guys. Meron man akong mixer guys, kaso ano siya, hindi ko gamitin kasi kakapagod magkuha and then hugasan. No, napagod talaga. Nakakapagod. Tubig lang po ito guys ang ilagay ninyo. Kaya ito yung mga pinapadala ko sa Pinas kasi masarap ito pang snack, pang breakfast man ito good. Mga bata, ganon. So, yun. So, pancake galore. Depende na yan sa inyo. Tansya-tansya lang man yung tubig, no? Pancake for Mister. Oh, it's so good.
You didn't find no frozen ones, really?
It's really good. Keep doing hard. Makes your wife happy before I get mad. You know, it's hard to fight with you in English. I can't see it.
You fight in every language. Who you can?
I can't see it all.
It's not hard for you to fight all.
Makaingon man yung dad. Sige pa, lami. Ang hirap mag-Ingles. Hirap pa din. At yung video pala na ang daming nagsasabi na bakit kasi nag-English pa ako. English kasi yung asawa ko guys. And also, dubbing po yun, no? Si Angie po yun, yung may tummy, may hotdog. Yung hotdog, may tummy. It's in the center of the bread. Ayaw ni Tommy yun. Tommy doesn't like it. Si Angie, annoying daw yun guys. Si Angie man yun, Han. Si Angie man yun. Hindi man yun ako. So, yung mga tao nagsasabi na ako daw yun. No, why I put it in the center. It's in the center of the bread. Iwan ko mga loves ha, ang ganda-ganda talagang maglakbay-lakbay dito sa aking garden at inaayos ko kung saan sila dapat mag-hug, 'di ba? Kasi itong mga string beans natin, itong sitaw, kailangan talaga nating ipahag ba, ipagako sa kahoy no para magtuyok-tuyok. So inalalayan ko na lang sila kung saan sila dapat magkumakapit, ganyan. So iwan ko, ganyan talaga ako. So kaya excited lang naman ako dito sa ating garden, no? Lalo na sa ating sa ating mga sitaw kasi ang daming sitaw at ang itong ating kinakain po siya ng mga uod, ang dami, grabe yung ating ibang dahon dyan. So kaya kukunin ko na lang yun sila lahat at para naman maging masaya, marami tayong sitaw. At dahil hapon na mga loves, pumunta ako sa aming basement at nagkuha kung anong dapat kainin. At nakikita naman ninyo na ang dami namin pagkain doon sa aming freezer. At saka meron si Tami mga niluluto noon na mga eggplant. Okay, so yun yung gagawin ko. Gawin nating eggplant parm. At meron tayong kanin dito from kahapon. Ilagay na natin siya sa ating refrigerator bago masira. At kakain na din ako kasi gutom na ang ating Lola Mariano. Meron tayong lechon konti, meron tayong beef konti. Yun yung kainan natin habang naghihintay sa ating mga frozen na nilalabas natin para lutuin kay Mister. At so yun mga loves, pagkatapos ng ulan, pumasok ako at magluto tayo ng sauce para sa ating eggplant parm. You can do that. We want to see what happened to the kid. Why the...
You're not gonna see that, because now you gotta talk to me.
Ah, okay.
Because of the motorcycles and the carnival. People said we look like the...
My hand is clean, okay?
I don't believe it.
You always something. You always make me laugh. I love you, Tamimoy ay. Dito, natagalan siya mag-response na I love you too. So, hinihintay ko lang. Tingnan niyo yung reaction ko.
Love you too,
Good you answer because I was waiting for day kid. For like a day kid, honey.
I'm aggravated trying to get the cat dish out of the dogs. They just don't want to come up. It's like frustrating. I hate that. It's so slimy that it won't come out.
Yun guys, habang nagchichikahan kami, continue lang natin itong ating nilulutong chicken parm para may makain si Mister. Habang nagluluto, nanonood din kami ng
Just take the whole
series.
thing. Adoy, ginoo ko. Adoy.
That's the problem with it.
So, nagluto ako ng eggplant parm. Tommy made the eggplant. I made the sauce.
I mean, that's like you made a farm.
No, this is yours.
At yun mga love, salamat sa inyong time. No, dito lang muna tayo. Ingat po kayo. Salamat. Kita-kits.
Alright guys, we're putting a new battery in here. And we'll see how we make out here. It's just a battery.
Is it clang? No,
that's not gonna-
that's not gonna move. You know why? There is a hole
Well, it's got a big holder, but this, yeah, this should be a little bit closer, but it's fine, I think.
So I should
Another
know.
wire.
I should know how you do this because, you know, if
Drop
you're
in.
working, huh? If you're working and you're away from Florida or you leave me, I know how this works.
There you go.
Are you gonna leave me?
I don't think so.
Oh, you don't
You
think
drop that, I
so.
might be leaving you down.
You love me so
I
much.
drop that, I'll be leaving.
Hun?
Positive, negative.
Which one?
Positive, it's red.
Positive is red.
Yeah,
Negative is black.
yeah.
Yeah, always. Negative is always black. Negative people, marites.
There's a little plus if you look at it close.
Okay, the
Like I said,
negative,
the other place,
the
negative was on
positive
this
is
side.
plus.
Yeah. The other place, they had the negative was on this side,
Ah, so the wire
so
can't.
it wouldn't reach.
Yeah, won't reach. So,
And that's all he had. He had three batteries, and they were all exactly the same. This place had some with both. They had negative on this side, and they also had positive on this side. Different batteries for different tractors.
You still don't know why the oil is leaking in this one, right?
No.
Okay.
What's up, Monica Barrio? I just came back from getting my hair cut, so I could look more like a human being for a couple of weeks.
Yeah, your hair grow fast.
Oh, but that used to grow a lot faster.
Faster and thicker.
Yeah.
So, we're outside mga kabaryo. So, oh. And it's very cloudy today. It's very humid, right?
Not as bad as the other couple of days.
But can you see, if you see the cloud, guys, we don't see cloud. We don't see the white and blue. This is like abnormal phenomenon. Phenomenon? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, that's really it. He's busy. So do you wanna know what he's doing when we're here together? This is it. He is busy with his phone and ignoring his wife. Only he look at me because I say so. So what do you want for dinner?
We just ordering pizza or something.
You eat pizza?
Yeah, I'm good with that.
Are they even open in this weekend? I'm sure,
I'm
right?
sure they are.
So they're open weekend.